This is $1 Million Corn recipe. Use Boursin cheese, 1 package, garlic and herb or any flavor you like, toasted Cheeze-It crackers and bacon on top, sauteed with onions. This is all made in 1 skillet in under 30 minutes. If you want to see how I made this, please keep watching. Let me show you the ingredients for $1 Million Corn. You're going to need a box of Cheez-It crackers. You don't need one that size, but that was the only size I could find. You need 1 cup of the crackers. I have that rolling pin there in a plastic bag because you need to crush them up. Fresh corn is better, but I'm using 2 bags of 12-ounce frozen corn that's been thawed. And what makes this dish spectacular is the Boursin cheese. It adds so much flavor. You need salt, pepper, 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. You need a teaspoon of sugar. You need a half an onion that I've taken the liberty to already dice. And you need 4 to 6 strips of bacon because you need the bacon grease. I've already cooked it in the microwave. You can definitely saute it in the oven as most recipes recommend, but I like mine microwaved. If you want this vegetarian, just leave the bacon out and add more salt. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. I don't know how you found me, but I'm glad you're here. This is a channel for easy, quick, fast weeknight meals. This $1 Million Corn is the bomb. If your family likes corn, you definitely have to try it. I mean, with the Boursin cheese and the Cheez-Its and bacon on top is what makes it extra special. And like I said, you need a half a cup of diced onions. You can grate it, but I went ahead and took the liberty to chop them up already off camera. So I'm going to get 2 tablespoons of butter in the skillet because I'm going to show you I need to crush those Cheez-Its and then you brown them in the butter and then we go ahead and start cooking. So let me turn the camera around. I'll be right back. So I'm just taking my rolling pin and just crushing these up. It's supposed to be a rough chop. I like them fairly crushed pretty much completely, but if you give this recipe a try, technically it's supposed to be coarse, so I'm going to leave it kind of coarse, and that's about the consistency. I don't want any of them whole. We're going to brown this in some butter, so let me turn the camera around. Okay, I've got my butter melted in the skillet. That's 2 tablespoons, and here is the Cheez-Its crackers. You just want to lightly toast these in the butter. See, some of them didn't completely break up, so I'm just going to crush them up. And I got the heat on fairly high heat. And this cooks in 1 pan. That's the beauty of this dish. You don't have to dirty up a bunch of dishes. So if your family loves corn, they will definitely like this. What takes this over the edge is the Boursin cheese. It adds so much flavor with minimal effort. I'm just lightly sauteing the Cheez-Its crackers. And if you buy the big box, you know they're great to snack on. And they do have a new flavor out. You might want to try that. Next time I make this, I'm going to try it. One side is cheese, cheddar cheese, and the other side is Parmesan. So that would definitely be delicious in this recipe, $1 Million Corn. I'm just cooking this over high heat, just getting it lightly toasted. I'm crushing up some of the crackers that didn't quite crush up. It's like browning breadcrumbs. This is the topping that goes on top, and this does not go in the oven. So it's a perfect summer dish if your family's looking for a new take on corn. You know they love corn. And that's becoming nice and browned. So I'm going to take this out and scoop this into a separate bowl. Whoops, made a mess. Then you want to take some paper towel. Whoops. Wipe this out. And then to this, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and lightly saute the onion. And this is a half of onion. Whoa, I see a lot of crap on the side here that will make a mess. Make sure that doesn't happen. Add your onion. And then to this you want to add your thawed corn or your fresh corn. I'm using 2 bags of frozen corn. You just want to cook this and saute this for 5 to 6 minutes. Just because mostly this is made with fresh corn, so you definitely want to cook it at least 6 to 10 minutes to get the corn nice and soft. You get the onions cooked. So I'm going to let this saute for a few minutes and then come back and show you the next step. Almost forgot, you need 1 tablespoon of bacon grease to add to this. And like I said, you can't omit that if you don't do pork or want this vegetarian. You'll just add more salt to it. But this recipe calls for 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And without the bacon, you would definitely need more salt. This gives it a smoky flavor with the bacon. Okay, so this has been cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. That's what gives it the richness. Turn the eye off. And then you add the piece de resistance, the Boursin cream. It gives so much flavor to dishes without having to add a lot of ingredients. I've got the garlic and herb. Any flavor that they have, they've got several you can use and they will all be delicious in this recipe. And I've cut the eye off, just cooking this, letting this warm through to melt the cheese. And see, it's pretty much done. It does not go in the oven. It's a delicious, tasty dish. I omitted the chives. Most recipes you sprinkle chives on top, but those that know me, welcome back. You know I upload 2 videos a week and always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. This is for my husband. He likes corn, but he's not big on green things floating around in his food. So that's why I use the white onion and I cooked it ahead of time, but you should for the recipe to get it soft. You just let this warm through with the heat off. And melt the cheese and get this completely mixed in. This is a great side. It goes with any protein. Great holiday dish. You'll be a big fan favorite if you take this to any potluck or cookout if people invite you. Most people aren't hip to this recipe, $1 Million Corn. I'm just getting this all mixed completely through. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. You know, my channel is all about quick, fast, easy meals for people who don't want to cook, don't like to cook, don't know how to cook. Beginners, show you some great meals you can make, great recipes that are fast and don't require a lot of time. I'm going to cut that back on just a little bit to get this thoroughly heated through. And then you want to add salt and pepper to taste. It's a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. I'm eyeballing it, and it's a teaspoon of salt. And that's pretty much the $1 Million Corn minus the topping. And that's what makes it so great. After this is all mixed together thoroughly and coated in that Boursin cheese and cream. Slightly sweet, very flavorful with the garlic and herbs. And you get that all mixed together. Then you want to top this with your Cheeze-It cracker mix. This is 1 cup. And your bacon. And like I said, you don't have to do the bacon if you don't like. You can leave it off and make it vegetarian. But this gives it so much flavor, especially if you're a bacon lover, and it makes it smoky. And I'm using extra thick cut bacon, so it's a little bit harder to tear. And this will feed 6 to 8 people. Normally the recipe calls for 4 slices. I did 6 because I wanted to go ahead and use the bacon that I had left. And you can store this in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days and use this as a side dish. So doesn't that look delicious? You guys have got to give this recipe a try. Okay, so there you have it. There you have it, $1 Million Corn. Corn, Boursin cheese, milk, salt, pepper, a little bit of sugar, heavy cream, sauteed onions, Cheez-Its, and bacon. Really great for a weeknight side dish. So let me turn the camera around and tell you guys my joke. Jim and Ed are hunting for turkeys when Jim keels over and collapses. He doesn't seem to be breathing, and his eyes are glazed. Eddie gets out his cell phone and calls the emergency services. He gasps, "My friend is dead. What can I do?" Calm down, calm down. I can help. First, let's make sure he's dead." There's a silence. Then a shot is heard. Then back on the phone, Eddie says, "Okay, now what?" Oh my God, that's sick. But anyway, this dish is very delicious. Like I said, the Boursin cheese eliminates adding a lot of different herbs. Just buy a package, any flavor you can find. All of them are delicious. The toasted Cheez-Its gives it a different flavor as opposed to regular butter crackers. It adds like a cheesy flavor. And then the bacon adds a salty, smoky flavor. But if you want a vegetarian, leave out the bacon and definitely don't add the bacon grease. All of this cooks in one skillet and it's on the table in less than 30 minutes. If your family loves corn, they will love you for this recipe. Please give it a try. It'll definitely make it into your rotation for your family asking for a corn dish. And if you take it to any barbecue or potluck, you'll definitely win everyone over. I want to thank you guys for watching. God bless. Please hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you on the next one.